What's up guys? As promised in the last video, we're going to talk about pie charts in a little bit more detail, such as this question. We're told that the table shows the colours of cars driven by 60 motorists, and here are the results, so fill in the angles. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is find the total, which is 60. And now the angle just represents what fraction of 360 is going to be represented by the pie chart. So let's say this circle here is our pie chart, right? Then what we're going to do is, I'll start with red, and we're saying red is 13, right? So red angle is just going to be 360 times 13 over 60. And if we plug that into our calculators, we should get an answer of 78 degrees. Okay? So now let's put 78 degrees on the pie chart. It will look something like this. Remember, you're going to have a protractor. I'm just doing it rough so that you understand. Now let's go for yellow. I'm going to use orange because I know that you can see it a bit better. Yellow is just going to be 360 times 19 over 60. Okay, plug that into our calculators and we should get an answer of 114 degrees. Okay, now let's put that into our graph. It will look something like this, I'd say. No, wait, that's definitely acute. I'd say it looks something like this. Yeah? 114 degrees, okay? The next one is blue. So let's put blue is equal to, you guessed it, 360 times 11 over 60. Plug that into our calculators. We get 66 degrees. So let's put that in. It's going to look roughly something like this. And then finally the other, which I'll put in purple, right? That's just going to be 360 times 17 over 60, which is equal to 102 degrees. And so that is what our pie chart should look like. Is this video helpful? Make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video from me. Now let's discuss how to actually read a pie chart. This pie chart shows information about the number of medals won by Germany and Russia in the 2010 Winter Olympics. Here's what we know about Germany. Here's what we know about Russia. Germany won 7 bronze medals. So how many gold medals did Germany win? Well, we know that 84 degrees is equal to 7 medals. Okay, because this is bronze, isn't it? And we know that bronze is equal to 7. So now what we need to do is we need to work out what 1 degree is, which is 7 divided by 84. And so therefore the total medals is just equal to 7 over 84 times 360. It's kind of like a percentage, if you guys remember how to do those from the number series on my channel. If you plug that into our calculators, you will know that Germany won 30 medals in the Olympics. Now, let's say if they ask us, the pie shows that Germany won more gold medals than Russia. Is Graham right? Explain yourself. Well, we can see that 120 degrees represents however many gold medals, okay? And we're also told that 72 degrees represents Russia's gold medals. Does that mean that Russia won more gold medals? Germany won more gold medals? Well, no, it doesn't. And here's why. Because for all we know, Russia could have won 360 medals. They didn't, but for all we know, they could have won 360 medals. So 72 degrees equals 72 medals. Okay? And so the reason why we don't know that from the pie charts is because we don't know how much 1 degree represents in the data. Yeah? Because 1 degree could be 1 medal. We know 1 degree here is 7/84 medals, but we don't know what it is for Russia. So therefore, there's no way of knowing how many medals each of these represent. Is this making sense? Do you need some help? Join my Discord server and send me any questions you have, with fast responses guaranteed. Now let's look at this one. For this one, we know that 4 candidates in an election were A, B, C, and D. So this is what we have so far. Work out the probability that a person who voted, chosen at random, voted for C. So the first thing we're going to do is understand how much is the pie going to be in total. Exactly, 360 degrees. Okay? And so what we can say is, if we add all of these together, it'll be equal to 360. So this is 90 degrees, so 90 plus, this is x, so plus x, plus 2x plus 10 plus 2x is equal to 360, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to simplify this to get the like terms. 90 plus 10 is 100. Sorry. And we're told that 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. So 100 plus 5x is equal to 360. Put the 100 on the other side. So 5x is equal to 260. And then let's divide by 5. So then we're left with x is equal to 260 divided by 5, which is equal to 52 degrees. Okay? Now, for C, we know that C has 2 times 52 plus 10, which is equal to 104 plus 10, which is equal to 114. So therefore, if 114 degrees represents C, the probability of C is going to be 114, excuse me, divided by 360. And you can leave your answer like that because it's a probability. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Do you want to get tutored by me and pass your exams? Well then drop me an email and you can get a meeting and a quote. Keep on learning as you have no idea what you're capable of doing.